Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Xbox account and grabbing the controller. Once you're on the home screen, go straight to Profile and System, then Settings, then General. This gets you where Background's live. Make sure your console is up to date, because older system firmware can hide options. Open Personalization and select Background. This is the control panel for what appears behind your dashboard. From here, you're ready to pick a custom or default background and begin removing the current one. You now interact with the background menu to remove the current image. Select Background, then choose Default to revert to the built-in theme, or pick a custom image slot if you want to replace it. If a custom image is selected, choose Remove or replace it with a neutral default to eliminate distracting imagery. Once you confirm, the system writes the change immediately. Wait a few seconds for textures and tiles to refresh. This clears the previous background and avoids visual clutter on your dashboard. You finish by verifying the new appearance and restarting the console if the background didn't update instantly. A reboot forces the user interface to reload assets. If background options are missing, make sure System Update's installed and there's free storage. Locked or corrupted files can block changes. If problems persist, sign out and back in or clear local saved games temporarily. Only reset personalization as a last resort because that removes custom settings. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.